Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable in-ear detection for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open Nothing X application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it in the application and you will have the same menu as I am. Now scroll down and you need to find device settings and then tap on it. In the second line we have it. If you near to in-ear detection we have the slider, and if the slider have empty background, it means that it's disabled, and to enable it just tap on it one time. When you enable it, now your earbuds will automatically pause the music when you remove it from your ears and will play music when you put it to your ears. And if you see this dark background at this slider, it means that this mode is enabled, and to disable it just tap also at this slider. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!